Hey guys, Chicago workers' comp lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, and I have another question and answer for you. So the question today is, if I got hurt at work, do I have to prove that the company did something wrong? In other words, do I have to prove that the company was negligent in causing my injury? And the answer is no. In workers' comp, you don't have to prove that anybody did anything wrong. All you have to do is prove that you were hurt at work, you're an employee, and you were in the course and scope of your employment. So, in other words, if you go out on you punch out of the clock and you leave the office premises and you're not working anymore and you get hurt, that's not going to be workers' comp. So, if you're doing your job and you get hurt, that's it. So you don't have to prove anybody did anything wrong. Now, a lot of times, I know I always do, when somebody calls me about a work injury case, I always ask them exactly what happened, and here's why. If you have a workers' comp case, but your injury was caused, or part of the injury was caused by somebody who isn't your employer, then you can also sue that other party in court. So a common context this happens in is, let's say you're a truck driver and or a car driver of some kind, and you're an employee, delivery driver, something like that, and you're an employee, and then some dude runs a light and runs into you, right? Well, because you were on the clock, you are automatically going to be covered under workers' comp, and you can have a claim, get all your benefits, right? So that's fantastic. But because somebody else caused your injuries, we can sue them in a lawsuit as well. So that's important for me to know, and it's an opportunity for you more likely to get fully compensated for your injuries. So important information to know. It also comes up in construction cases a lot, right? So if a construction worker's working somewhere and there's a general contractor that has some control over safety, you can completely have a workers' comp case as well as a third-party case against anybody who maintained any control over the safety of the work site, which in the construction trades, like almost everybody. But that's sort of a side issue. For purposes of workers' comp, no, you don't have to prove that your employer did anything wrong or that they were negligent at all. If you are an employee injured in the course and scope of your employment, you're entitled to workers' comp. So hope that answers the question. Thanks for watching. Take care.